Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use quick codes to quickly shoot your points with your description so you don't have to type it in every time or select it from a long menu in your store point screen. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm first going to change my tolerance so that I don't even have to go into the screen where I enter my description. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my instrument settings in the top right corner there, that gear and receiver. And within my instrument settings menu here, I'm going to head to the bottom where my active tolerances are. And on my active tolerance here, I'm going to click on the three dots next to my autonomous tolerance here. And now I'm just using a single receiver in autonomous mode, so I'm going to need to edit my autonomous setting here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll to the bottom here where I've got these three switches, and I'm going to make sure that I have allow tolerance override, auto store accepted position, and skip new point screen after the measure screen selected. So what this is going to allow me to do is, one, if my tolerance is exceeded, it will allow me to have the option to store the point or reshoot the point. It'll allow me to auto store the accepted position, so I don't need to click on store position. And that skip new point screen after measure screen means that I won't see that screen where I've got my coordinate information, my description information, and I can add whatever notes and so on and so forth to my point. So I'm going to make sure all three of these are selected and click on OK here, OK, and then return to my map screen. Now, what I'm going to do is on my map screen here, on the left side of the screen, there's this little arrow that pops out. I'm going to click on that arrow and it's going to expand my code list. And now what I can do is, instead of having no code selected, I'm going to select one of my pre-entered codes here. So if I select this asphalt curb code here, click on store position, it's going to automatically store my point. Now, because this has a line associated with it, it's going to take me to my line menu, and I could quickly now shoot all of my asphalt curbs and have them all connected via a line. Now, I actually want to shoot a different point to show you this code menu here. So I'm going to choose a different one from the menu here. So if I select this capped P option, what I'm going to do is I'm again going to click on store position to save my point. And you can see here now I can quickly start switching points. So now let's say I've got a center line of a road. I want to do that line code again. I'm going to click it, shoot all my center line, and move on with my world. And if I switch back to my code menu on the left here, let's choose some that don't have some lines associated with it. So something like this concrete point. I'm going to click store point, capped, store point, and I can quickly switch between these codes as I go, meaning that I don't have to wait to either type it or find it in the menu. I can just use the side menu, click store point as I come across those assets. Now, that is everything for today's video. That is how you use the quick code switch menu in FieldGenius to speed up your work in the field. And if you have a moment, I please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.